So we have an explicit formula for a geometric sequence, and it says a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times, and a lot of times they'll put a multiplication symbol there, but they don't. The multiplication's implied. That's supposed to be an r. But the exponent on r is going to be n minus 1. So remember, the first term is just the first term, but then the second term gets multiplied by r, and then the third time gets multiplied by r squared, and that's the way it works. So that's the formula. Note that n minus 1 is an exponent. Sometimes it's a little hard to read. Okay, and r is the common ratio, and a sub 1 is the first term. Okay, so given a geometric sequence with a sub 1 equals 3 and a sub 4 equals 24, find a sub 2. Okay, so we did a problem similar to this when we were doing arithmetic sequences, but this will be a little different. So we're going to take our formula, which I've already scrolled past, but we'll just write it again. If you keep writing these formulas, you'll remember them. Okay, and so we're going to use this to say that n is 4 and a sub 4 is 24, which means that's a sub n. That's going to be our a sub n. So we're going to say 24 is equal to, now a sub 1, they tell us that, 3. We don't know what r is, so we'll just have to put r. That's what we're trying to find out. And then, let's see. We've got 4 minus 1 here. Okay, so let's clean that up a little bit. 24 equals 3r cubed. And then we're going to divide both sides by 3. This is how we would solve it. 8 equals r cubed. And you could say, well, I know that it's 2. Or you could say 8 is 2 cubed. Then you could use that idea because the exponents are the same, that r is 2. Or you could take the cubed root of both sides. Back here, you could have taken the cubed root of 8. It's odd, so you're okay doing that. But anyway, we get r equals 2. Now, what do they want us to actually find? They want us to find a sub 2. So we're going to take a sub 1, and we're going to multiply it times r, and that's going to give us a sub 2. So a sub 2 is going to equal 3 times, our r was 2. Remember, r was 2. We had that written down. And so a sub 2 is going to be 6. And then we could find a sub 3 or a sub 20 or whatever. The numbers get very large quickly when we have an r greater than 1.